So this is a Traxxas TRX-4, and this is a TRX-4M. And today we're going to unbox this thing and have a closer look. Alrighty, let's take a look at this thing, see what we got. Traxxas controller. Alright, this is going to be 1/18 scale. A little smaller than its 1/10 scale big brother. This is one of the new tan colors. Tan and orange are new. Let's see. Alright, so Alright. Alright, so here's a look at everything you get in the box. Of course, you get the truck itself, Traxxas controller. You do get a 2-cell LiPo battery with USB charger, and of course the manual with some basic hand tools. Here's a look at the chassis here. Very simple setup. You do not get the 2-speed transmission or the locking diffs that the 1/10 scale TRX-4 comes with, but you do get a nice small, compact little rig you can run just about anywhere. But that's going to wrap up this video. I do appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.